Hey everyone, welcome to the Famous Mommy channel here on YouTube. If you're not a subscriber yet, we'd really appreciate you clicking on that little button and subscribing to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a like. We'd really appreciate that too. Don't forget that little thumbs up if you do like this video. I want to teach you how to go from just a completely natural face to this beautiful glam look with lots of glitter. So let's be glitterati's together, and I'll see you inside the video and we'll teach you how to do this. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you to go from this to this. Let me show you how it's done. It's actually very simple and easy, and it's very pretty makeup for being at home, staying safe, saving lives, or going out and having a good time with your family or whatever. The pretty sparkly lips and the sparkly eyes. You're never too old for glitter, ladies. Never too old for glitter. Even the men or gender non-biased or whatever it is that you decide to identify with or not identify with, this is good for you too. Glitter's awesome for everyone. So first, I am going to put up my hair because I think that's a very good thing to not get makeup all over it.
So I just basically roll up my hair like this, and then we get started on our makeup tutorial.
Because with skin like this, definitely want some makeup on it. It makes it just look fabulous. I feel fabulous after I put my makeup on. Let's do some glitter makeup today, guys. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, so first things first, I like to put on my concealer. So let's see here. Hoping you can see me because I'm not really sure where the camera is right now. I like to put on a lot, because as mommies, we need all the help we can get with our dark circles under our eyes from lack of sleep sometimes when you have the babies. Right, mommies? Seriously, now I look like a clown. Wow! So I'm gonna do that. I like to use this eraser. It's multi-use concealer, instant age rewind. Kind of gets up in there. Now, let's see. Can you see me? Okay, let's see here. Hold on. All right, let's see. Now I like to take this ring fingers, because they don't push as hard, and kind of just like blot it in, tap it, tap it, tap it. Then you want to blend and do this all around the eye area. You get that nice bright eye and it looks pretty. All right, now we're gonna get that done. Erase all those dark circles. What do you think? Woo! Now I look like a cat eye. Okay, see, like the dark circles are disappearing, and I like it because it's got like a depuffer, so after the time goes by a little bit more time, it's nice. You don't need any extra tools as far as I'm concerned. I use my hands pretty much for everything. So now let's see here. Now, I love these like mineral powder makeup that has, I use a True Color brand. I don't get paid to advertise anything. This is just what I like to use. They have all different colors of loose powder makeup, and all of it's got like a little bit of glitter in it. And then I love their little glitter palette thing. It's got tons of glitter. As you can see, I use a lot of glitter. I am a glitter girl. Love glitter. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to use my foundation. I do like to use this one, the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Makeup. Now, as a nursing mom, you're not supposed to use salicylic acid much. So when I do use this, I tend to use it on the days and times when I don't need to nurse my baby. That way I can wash my face, and then it's nursing session time. And I just like to get a little bit darker than my skin complexion to make me look like I have a nice little tan without the bronzer. Now I just smother that on to get it down on the neck so we can do a nice blending. Now I know this is probably, you're like, why isn't she using the cool makeup sponges and stuff? Well, because we are staying home, staying safe right now. And that is why. So I haven't gone out to get extra makeup. I'm just using what I have. So this is quarantine glitter makeup for you guys tutorial. It's gonna be fun. Wow, so let's see here. Gonna get it up here. We don't want to get it in the hair. Now this is where a sponge comes in handy. You can blot it. That way you don't get too much in your hair, if any, you know, and you kind of use a brush to kind of comb it in. And then what I do is I tap around again and kind of blend the color in with the concealer. And you see that. All right, let's see here. Okay. Like I said, I like to do it with my hand, and when you blot, you get it in the fine lines, and then that way everything is covered and there's no blotchiness and there's nothing showing through. All right, get a little bit on the lips. Okay, keep going. Now we're gonna let the concealer dry. Let's see. Ooh, got a nice little zit growing there. Ooh, fun. I'm gonna pop it later, maybe. No, you should never pop your zits. You can get actually acne scars. So put that away. Now I'm gonna wash my hands. Washing my hands. I always have this, since I wash pump parts and things like that, being a nursing mom, I always have this next to me. Products that I'm using in the link below. I'm not gonna make any money off of them though. I'm just letting you know so that you can order stuff if you like the stuff that I use. Okay, drying the hands. All right, we are back. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, I really love, let me see, can you see this? I really love this Lit Cosmetics Daily Wear Glitter Glue. It's a glitter base. I love it, it's awesome. So I'm gonna open that. Now you take your little thing, make sure this is cleaned every time with every use. Okay, so I just like, I dip it into the glitter glue, and you just want to get enough, just enough so it doesn't drip into your eye, okay? So here, I'm gonna put the glitter glue right on wherever I want to put my glitter. It's a great base. Okay, there we go. Nice little line, and I like to take it out just a little bit, you know? Keep your eye closed while you, I use my mouth to blow it. I like to blow it dry a little bit. Okay, the other one. And do a nice little fine line so you can get a nice glitter eyeliner. Okay, not too much. Okay, ready? Nice little eyeliner. Oh, my eyes are shaky today. A little caffeine for mama. Mommy, okay. Now the great thing about this is it's non-toxic, the one that they have, at least that's what they say. And it's so light and refreshing that you can even use it on your kids. So I've used it on my 3-year-old and she loves it. She loves to have that glitter look. You know, I'm gonna show you how to do the glitter lips too. So we're gonna dry it just enough, okay? And then we are gonna pick what color should I use today? Let's see. How about we use, let's see what we can use. Oh, we can use this one. This one's pretty. This one actually came free because I ordered the glue. Like, look how pretty this is. Isn't that beautiful? It's very pretty. Very pretty color. Oh, if I don't spill it all out before I even show you how to do it. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry just a little bit, and then you wanna literally pick up like about that much. I don't know if you can see. I'm having a hard time with this. Now I just dab it on. Now you want to kind of put your head forward so that you don't get it on the rest of your face. Just dab it on where the glue was, real gentle. I hope that you can see me right there, yeah. So let's see, we're gonna dab it on, dab it on. Now the looser the glitter, the more it goes on nice. You know, you definitely want the glitter loose on it. So you can just get that nice little glitter line. Remember, we went out just a little bit because I like to draw it out a little to have it next to the eye. Look how pretty. Can you guys see that, how pretty it is? Okay, now we're gonna do the next one. I'm just gonna dab it on, dab it. Don't draw it on, just dab it on because it's loose glitter. Now as I go, I kind of blow my eyes so that you can see, we just dab it on, right? The great thing is you can do this with Swarovski crystals. You can use that glue base. You can do anything with that glue base. I love it. It makes the glitter stay so pretty on your eyes. Now I just bring it out. Now, one thing I wanted to say is you're never too old for glitter. Oh my gosh, I'm so a glitter queen. I just love it. I love glitter. I think everything should have glitter on it. Everything should have rhinestones. I'm just like, I love bling. I'm just a blingy girl, and I love being able to do this with my daughter too. Okay, so now that we've done that, now we have our glitter on our eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna do my mascara. So now I like to use this falsie one. It tends to give some good good stuff. Now what I do is you want to make sure you blow it off to get all the excess glitter off before you're doing your mascara. You can use any mascara, obviously. You don't have to use mine. Okay. So what I like to do is just keep going over and over and over. I hope that you can see me on this. The trick for me is that I just keep reapplying and reapplying over as it dries on either eye, and I rotate from one eye to the next eye, and that way you can get that really glam falsy look. I like this. You can use two different kinds of mascara. You can use false eyelashes, and that'll really pop your eyes. Right now I don't have any because we are self-quarantining to keep other people safe. And if I do leave the house, I wear a mask and a face shield and gloves and try not to touch anything that I'm not going to buy. If possible, I don't ever touch my face when I'm out so that I'm not spreading germs to other people. Basically. Okay, now if you notice, if you have like a little bit of a makeup thing, I like to use just a little bit of a cotton swab. That always helps. So, okay, we're still gonna be applying, so I wanna make that dramatic eyelash effect from nothing to getting it up there. So I just keep applying, drawing it out. I just love this look. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, let's see here. You get perfect eyeliner glitter every time with that loose powder. It's just so pretty. Now I can teach you how to use all other colors. You can do a rainbow. Like what you do is you would keep applying over, like you do your eyeliner, then you do your first glitter. Then you do a little liner over the second part after you've done that glitter so you don't get as much on that part. And then you dab the other glitter on top and the other glitter on top, and you just keep going up your eye and you can have a whole rainbow. I'm gonna have to do a tutorial on that, but I don't have time because my husband has to go to work today. So we're doing this for a moment while we can. I'm hoping you can see me here. Now some people don't like clumpy eyelashes, but I love clumpy eyelashes. I think they're pretty and cute. I think they look pretty. They just pop my eyes. Now one thing you'll notice about me is I only do my mascara on the top half, because I think it pops my eyes way better than if I did it on the bottom as well. So see, I just think it makes your eyes look so much prettier and bigger, like my eyes at least. Gives me that little dolly look. Another tip I wanted to share is that I blink into the mascara brush, like as I'm putting on my mascara, I blink into it to separate the lashes and to get that nice look. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think that's good. Looks about right? So at least for this tutorial, it looks nice. Now, in order to do lips, now the way I like to do glitter lips is I use my trusted Q-tip. Trusted Q-tips are awesome. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. So the stickier the better. I just do this on my finger. Especially right now with what's going on in the world. I don't want to get too many germs everywhere. Okay, now we're going to do our pink. Since I mistakenly didn't have my lips in the camera. So what I do is I just take the loose glitter right here and dab it in. What I'm doing is just lightly dabbing. And you always want to use you want to use the other side, like the fresh side. Okay, that way you're not spreading the germs. If you try to hold your breath, that way you won't, hold on, I need a new Q-tip for each time that I put it back in the glitter. Okay. Now I'm just dabbing it on. That way it stays all that shininess. Do you see how pretty? It's just a beautiful lip. It just looks so stunning. So let's show you the final product with my hair down and the final look right now. Now you don't have to go inside the lip, just on the outside to get the most effect. Okay, what do you think? All right, now let's take the hair down. Let's take the hair down and show you the actual look. Okay. Very nice, right? Do you like it? Okay. Let's see now. Hey everyone, welcome to the Famous Mommy channel here on YouTube. If you're not a subscriber yet, we'd really appreciate you clicking on that little button and subscribing to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a like. We'd really appreciate that too. Don't forget that little thumbs up if you do like this video. Well, hopefully, I want to teach you how to go from just a completely natural face to this beautiful glam look with lots of glitter. So let's be glitterati's together.
Thank you so much for watching the Famous Mommy channel here on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel down below. We'll see you on the next one.